So another way you could do this is actually again to use automatic mapping. Let's just try it. It's really a trial and error when you're using this, and you can see, okay, that gives us a lot of stuff. So how are we going to deal with this? In my opinion, I think the best way to deal with this is to go to the top view, isolate selected, and we're just gonna pick one side. I don't want that much, like this. Let me just check. That's groovy. And then I'm gonna use planar mapping. I think it's x-axis. Okay. How does that look? That looks perfect. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side. So you can see sometimes you just have to try out stuff and see what works and what doesn't work. Okay, of course it doesn't work. Planar mapping again. And yes, that's the other side. Perfect. So now if I go to the whole set of the UVs, I got these two parts. Oops. Let me show you to shelf. I got two parts, two sides of the wheel. So to get the rest, I can just do like this, select faces. Ta-da! And right now I'm thinking I'm actually gonna do a planar mapping. And you might be wondering, why are you going to do that? I will show you in a second. So if I go to this now, it looks like this. And I need to cut it somewhere because this is no use. So I'm gonna find a place to make my seam. So I'm gonna select this by double clicking it, and then I'm gonna unselect it in the sides. So I only got, if I turn this off, this texture, you can see, you can't really see it, but I got this selected, edge between, edge right here. It's a bit messy because of all the edges, and I'm just gonna go cut it. So now it's still one object, but we can try and see if we can unfold it. Oh my god, it's really slow because of all the... I'm not sure if I can do anything about that, but... Anyway. You can see it doesn't really work, so I'm gonna select half of it. And then I'm gonna deselect two UVs. I'm gonna deselect, come on. Two vertex. Okay. UV. Okay, let me just... This is weird. Okay, there we go. Shoe face. Okay. So, this was not what I wanted. Okay, anyway, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna cut it one place more. I'm gonna cut it right here. If I can get selected. Come on. It's not a... Okay, this one. Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. Cut. So now it should be 2 pieces. Come on, why doesn't it have to be so difficult? Oh my god. Is this the another piece or what? Okay, it's very strange. Anyway, fuck that. I'm just gonna continue with my quest. Okay, sometimes if you can't unfold it with this tool, you can go to polygons, unfold, and you can see it tries to unfold it. Actually, I think when I'm doing this, I think a better way to do it is to two faces. Yeah. I'm gonna select this, and then I'm gonna use the cylindrical mapping. Maybe it's the hangover from yesterday that made me not think clear or something. So right now this is going to be hopefully the right way. Oops. So I'm gonna make it scale all the way. And if I look now, yeah, much better. So I'm not really sure if they're squares yet. So I'm gonna blow it a bit up to get a better view. And you can see it's not squares at all. So it has to be. I'm just doing this on eye measuring, like that. And oops. Then you will have to fit it. Try to fit it so it fits in the size. And I think it's you can always check if the squares are equally sized. It looks about right. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna select it all, choose shelf, and I'm gonna go to layout. Where are you? There you are. And it fits it. So, oh, I forgot to okay. Anyway, that was the tire. And the rest of the stuff is basically doing the same with all those hard parts. And this should be cylinder, planar mapping, or maybe automatic mapping, and it goes on. So this is my quick way of doing